You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
So here's a question that's popping up again lately. If you put $10,000 into Bitcoin in 2025, could that turn into $1 million by 2035? It's an exciting thought, right? After all, Bitcoin's history has been nothing short of legendary. Over the past decade, its price surged more than 41,000%. That means someone who put in $10,000 10 years ago would now be sitting on over $4 million. And even though we're past those wild early gains, Bitcoin is still showing serious strength. Just in the last year, it's climbed 80%. And as of July 2025, it's trading less than 1% off its all-time high. What's driving all this momentum? A big part of it is growing institutional interest. Bitcoin is no longer just a fringe tech experiment. We've seen spot Bitcoin ETFs bring in tens of billions of dollars since they launched in early 2024. Banks are now allowed to hold Bitcoin for clients, thanks to regulatory green lights. Even corporations and governments are getting involved, like the US creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve, and Trump media recently announcing a $2 billion purchase in Bitcoin and related assets. That kind of adoption is helping to legitimize Bitcoin further and reduce perceived risk for long-term investors. One of the key reasons investors remain bullish is Bitcoin's fixed supply. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. Compare that to fiat currencies, which can be endlessly printed. And it's clear why many see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and government debt. It's often called digital gold. And with gold's total value sitting at $22 trillion, while Bitcoin's market cap is around $2.4 trillion, some believe Bitcoin could reach parity with gold in the next 10 years. If that happens, we're talking about a 10x return, which would turn a $10,000 investment into $100,000. But will that turn into $1 million? Probably not. That kind of astronomical growth, 100x, is more likely in Bitcoin's rearview mirror. As the asset matures and gains stability, its extreme upside potential naturally shrinks. Still, the idea of 10x over a decade is hardly disappointing, especially when you look at traditional markets. The S&P 500, which has done incredibly well in the past decade, returned just 261% total, far below what Bitcoin could do if its current momentum continues. So while you might not become a millionaire off $10,000 in Bitcoin by 2035, the chance to turn that into $100,000 or more is very real. And if you're thinking long-term, and able to invest more, or ride the ups and downs over several decades, the potential rewards could be far greater. As always though, it's smart to diversify, do your research, and understand your risk tolerance before diving in. Stay subscribed for more videos.